Welcome to the most imperfect, unscripted video you'll find. Perhaps the most unscripted, all over the place channel you'll find. I started this on a whim to share my solo female backpacking experiences. By the way, my name is Malia Torney, and I am a solo female hiker in the Eastern Sierra Nevadas. So primarily. In fact, I'm out hiking right now. Look at this creek. It is such a beautiful spot. I don't know if it'll show up well in this video, but that's where I'm at. I love it out here. This is my therapy. So I started this channel on the suggestion of some clients, some friends who said it would be really helpful if you could tell other women our age. By the way, I'm 50. And I started doing this last year, just, I don't know, a few months ago, really. And it's something I'd wanted to do for quite a few years, especially as my kids got older. And, you know, like most women, the fear of coming out in the wild alone 100% prevented me from doing it. Between the fear of bad people, wildlife, you know, that's enough to stop most of us. In addition, not having the support from loved ones, you know, all those things kind of have to come together. So now I'm in a different place. So it's taken some time to figure out how to overcome that. One, I have the support of my loved ones. That's huge. I've taken steps to make sure that they feel safe and communicate where I'm at. I'll do a video later on the things that I've currently got in place for that, and including this little device here that's covered by my hair. It's a Garmin device. So anyway, my thought is I will share some of those tips, how I incrementally became more comfortable with coming out. It's been a progress. It's definitely been a journey. There's still moments I'm looking behind me, especially in areas where I know that there's mountain lions. That still remains my biggest fear to this day. Then also some trail reviews, some of my gear, and honestly, I would be so honored if you would share any questions you have in the comments. I will absolutely respond, and if I can make videos that could be helpful and encourage other women over 40, 50 to get out here and join me, that would be super cool. I'd love to meet up on the trail. So if you enjoy this content and think it's something you could find useful, or just want to see my crazy journeys into the wild, join me. I'd be so honored if you subscribed.